portion. Okay? So you have the kidney, retroperitoneal, ureter, and then this cat is pregnant in its early stage kasi coiled na. So parang nag-expand na.
Ano ba binuksan yan, ma'am?
Wala, parang blood lang. Wala tayong very pregnant cat. Wala. Okay? Kasi doon sa isang class,
This is as close as we
siguro
can get.
ganito kalaking uterus. Siguro mga tatlong kitten. Tatlo.
Cute!
Pero early stage pa rin yun. Okay? So, you should again recognize the bladder. It can be empty or this one is this was filled with urine before its death tapos umihi. Yung iba pag matigas yon yung bladder, walang laman talaga prior to its death. And then recognize the remnant of a ventral mesentery, which you call the median ligament, which in man is called the
Pusod.
no, the median ano ba yun? Median ligament. Okay? Kaya nga touch yung pusod nyo, yung navel, then you will kung saan nyo tinusok yung pusod nyo, nung kinutpot, nandun yung bladder. Okay? Through this one, through that connection. It's the same, it's also a connection. And then on the sides, where you have the fats, would be the lateral ligament. So this will be these are remnants of the ventral mesentery, including what in the liver? So yung nasa median, yung nasa gitna, falciform ligament, then coronary. So those are the remnants. Okay? So when you talk of the reproductive system of mammals, of other vertebrates as well, the gonad will be the ovary. So it's this, it's the mass here. Ito. Ay, ito ba yung maganda?
Surrounded by fallopian tube.
Okay, ayan. Notice nyo, siya, bumpy.
Orange-ish.
Okay, supposedly smooth yan. But dahil kaka-ovulate lang niya, those bumps are the corpora luteum. Are you familiar with the human egg? Diba, surrounded siya with follicle cells. Tapos pag na-ovulate, may iwan yung follicle cells. Yun yung corpora luteum. Anong function nun?
Excrete hormone to maintain birth.
Progesterone. To maintain the thickness of the uterine wall. Okay? Anyway, pag nalabas, so you have the ovary as the gonad, and the tube, the entire tube is the oviduct. The entire tube is the oviduct, which is divided into regions: the fallopian tube, the horns, and fusion, the body. Okay, so what type is this? Of what type of uterus do cats have? Bipartite. Bipartite, kasi dalawa. But there will be others, as will be given in the lecture, bicornuate, duplex. Sa tao, there will be fusion of the two horns, so you have a simplex type. There's just one. The horns are not defined. Okay, so ang makikita nyo lang fallopian tube, then the fusion of the uterus, then down. Okay? Sige, ano pa? Now, what are the Graafian follicles are the mature egg cells surrounded by the follicle. You know it's mature under microscope kasi merong antrum. Remember that? That's diba, ito yung egg. Sa histology, egg yan. Tapos may follicle, may cumulus oophorus, zona pellucida. Then, it's round like that. Then, there will be the follicle cells. Then, there's a space, antrum.
Mom!
Okay na. Now, so the ovary is suspended to the body wall by what?
The
Mesopharium. Okay? And then, the first part of the oviduct, this coiled thing here, is the fallopian tube, which is guarded by a fimbriae. Okay, so ito yung fallopian tube. So, there's a fimbriae, the fringe border at the anterior end. So, ito, dito. Which encloses the opening, the ostium. Okay, so the ovary, when it releases the egg during ovulation, the fimbriae will catch the egg. Okay, so by its constant
With
Nasa loob.
rhythmic movement, suctions the egg. Tapos, kunwari, nag-ovulate, di ba? Tapos may sperms na dumating. Yung isa, mabilis, hindi pa nakakapasok, dito siya na-fertilize. So, it can be implanted elsewhere, ectopic pregnancy. Or, it can be implanted here, and not in the usual site. Or, sa lower part. Pag dito sa lower part, delikado rin kasi andun na yung butas eh. Hindi pa siya term, lalabas na siya. Okay, then it can bring with it the placenta. So, yun yung placenta previa.
Pag humatid.
Blood. Okay, so let's go now to the horns. So, you have a left and right, and then they fuse as the body of the uterus. So, earlier, you should have encountered the space between the bladder and the uterus. This would be the vesico-uterine pouch. Kung lalaki, wala ito, rectum na yon, so rectum vesical pouch. It's just the space, guys. Okay? So, let's trace further.
Tapos na tayo, patay ka.
Oh, ito. So, urethra yung tube ng bladder, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, so clear this part. Then, ito na yung oviduct. This is the terminal part of the oviduct. Yan. Okay, then you will notice, can you spread the legs? Okay, you will notice that the urethra joins, sige, can you read muna? Baka meron akong part. Sa body. Huwag yun.
Mami, sinabi niyo pong sinihila na ano? Mesentery.
Body of the uterus. Body and horns.
Wait. Let's go back to the membranes
Nasira
pala.
na po yun.
Okay, so dito, you have the mesovarium, ovary to body wall, di ba? Then, going back to the fallopian tube, you will notice merong membrane there. Parang raincoat hood. There, the hood. Okay, there. Hood.
Mulberry.
The hood.
Hood. Raincoat hood. There. So, that membrane there is the mesosalpinx. Okay? Mesovarium, mesosalpinx. Then, the uterus, you have the mesometrium. So, mesometrium, mesosalpinx, mesovarium form the broad ligament. So, the entire thing is the broad ligament. Okay, then there's an extra one perpendicular there on the side. This is the round ligament. Para well supported yung uterus, it will not sway inside the female's body. Oo, pag tumatakbo. Okay? Or even walking. Diba? Oh, what else?
Body of the uterus.
Okay, so you have the body of the uterus where the horns
Body and
meet
horns
and
together
fuse.
constitute the uterus or womb. But the young develop only in
The horns. Okay? So, sa tao, parang walang horn. Parang yung body na lang nagpo-form yung, na-i-implant yung fetus, yung embryo. And then,
In the cat, the body of the uterus continues posteriorly as the vagina.
okay, so what will mark the junction between the vagina and the
Body.
uterus? Cervix. Okay, so there's a cervix, so assume it's one.
Assume.
Ma'am, it's like a sphincter.
Oo, ayan. Okay, so beyond that, vagina na to.
Ma'am, so there should be a valve.
Can you see the constriction at that point? So yan na yung neck.
Okay.
That's the cervix. That's the cervix. In humans, the cervix releases mucus, okay, and can be the secretion can be used for ovulation. If the mucus secretion is egg white in consistency, fertile yung babae, which can be 1 to 3 days. Then if the secretion is pasty, have you observed that, girls? Non-ovulate, non-fertile.
It's pasty.
Paste. Rice. Cooked rice.
Ay, what?
Be observant. That's your life until you reach 50. So kung ovulating pa kayo ng 50 and gusto nyo pa mag-baby, di why not? Pwede. Kasi yung youngest ko 41. Matanda na ako. Pero normal siya. Okay? So, going back. So, you have the constriction, then this will be the vagina. Beyond which, the urethra and the vagina will fuse, forming a common tube. Yun na yung urogenital sinus. So, ang layo.
Oh, what? Ma'am,
Saan mag-fuse? Ito.
nasan yung urogenital? Confused na.
Okay, check where it fused. So,
Confused sa vagina?
oh, yung vagina at yung
Urethra.
urethra mag-fuse there. So, the tube there is already the urogenital sinus or canal. And the opening is the urogenital aperture.
Same po.
Same hole with the...
May anal glands rin ba sila?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so on the sides of the
Exciting.
rectum, note for a swelling on both sides.
Mesovium. Mesovarium.
Where's the rectum of your cat? Okay, so hanapin niyo yung rectum. There should be swelling, slight swelling on the sides. Those are the anal glands which secrete pheromone.
Ako ba to?
Okay, pero inaamoy
Oh, inaamoy nila. So,
bakit?
ayun no, parang it's not parang
malaman nila
parang
kung
bag siya there. Di ba the rectum is like parang matigas siya? But the side of it becomes soft and pouchy. So, those are the anal glands or sac.
Yan, yung inaangat niyo po.
Ito. Yung side ng rectum.
Side mo.
Nasa side ng rectum. So, the clitoris will be what? Dorsal or ventral?
Where's dorsal?
Ba dorsal?
Or parang nakat nyo na yata. O ano ba? Dorsal, ventral?
Ba dorsal?
Ventral.
Sa loob? Ma'am, nasa loob yung clitoris.
Hindi. Mukhang nakat na nila. Okay, so it should
Mama
be...
na labia. Or
Dapat close.
wala sila dito. Vulva is the opening pag ginawa nila.
eto, yung parang taba.
Taba.
Ito.
This one. Oh, yan na yung labia. Tapos nandito yung clitoris dito. So,
Okay.
then nakat na nila
Ma'am,
eh.
what's the rectum?
Oo.
The one dorsal to it. So, i-dissect ito. Sige. Let's start from here.
The external opening.
Of the rectum.
The wide one.
Parang mababa. Ito yata yung anal gland niya. Oh.
Ayan na. Okay.
Ito. Pusak.
Okay.
They look like balls.
Okay? Parang malinis yung puwet ng pusa niyo.
We white. Joke.
Okay, so that's the female. Okay, can we have a male here para maliwanag?